This problem and all other Calc 135 problems can be found in Sarai Studies. Link is in the description box below. Well, again, what's our number one tool? Direct substitution. So let's go ahead and directly substitute our b value, 3, wherever we see an x. Okay, so at the bottom, we already know 3 minus 3 is 0, and then here this is 9 plus 3 minus 12. This is negative 9, 9, 0. Okay, we got 0 over 0. What does this mean? Do some more algebra, aka go to step number 2, simplify. So that's the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared plus x minus 12, x minus 3. Isn't that too tiring? You're going to have to write that down every single time. So I'm going to show you a trick. So double check this with your professor, but I mean, it is valid. All you can do is define f of x at the top, literally say f of x is equal to whatever your function is. And then on your exam, on your homework, wherever, doing this, just leave it to the side. And then now all you have to do is just write f of x. So now you don't have to write the function 5,000 times. So I know for my professor, Corey Stone at Rutgers, he allows that. I know in high school when I took AP Calc, they allowed it. It is defined. Just double check, okay? So then the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x is equal to the limit as x approaches 3 of whatever we simplify this to be. So we can go ahead and simplify the top part by factoring it. So two numbers that multiply to negative 12. So the product is 12, and two numbers that add to 1 because there's a 1 there. So let's do 4 and 3, 4 and 3, and then I always go down here and I'm like, okay, how can I get 1? I can subtract 3, so I do the same thing to the top, and then I just say x plus 4, x minus 3, and there are my factors. Then just bring down the denominator. Then what am I doing here? I can see that these are canceling out, so I'm getting rid of whatever makes it undefined, whatever makes it indeterminate. So now I can go ahead and determine it. The limit as x approaches 3 is the same now as x plus 4. Then at this point, I don't have to write the limit anymore because I'm going to do direct substitution. So back to my number 1 method, direct substitution. So that's 3 plus 4. That's 7. Limit as x approaches 3 of this function is 7, meaning as the x values get closer and closer and closer to 3 from both sides, y values are approaching 7. So again, if there's anything you got from this video, 0 over 0 means do some more algebra, simplify. And your steps for solving limits for now, number 1, direct substitution. If that doesn't work, meaning it gives you 0 over 0. Do number 2, simplify, and then repeat. Direct substitution, if you still get 0 over 0, keep simplifying.